Firstly, if you all want to pray all the five salah on time, start making dua that Ya Allah, make me a five waqt namazi in your language, any language. Don't wait for like feeling like praying. Just pray in any state you are in. Just go pray. Think that it is a mandatory act you have to do, and you're doing it for the sake of Allah. That's it. Don't wait for your iman to feel like it's strong enough. Don't wait for you to feel active. Don't wait for 5 minutes more, 6 minutes more, 7 minutes more. Don't keep scrolling. As soon as you listen to the adhan, or if you don't have a mosque nearby, you see the time, just go. Just go. And for this, start being in a state of wuzu all the time. Whenever you visit the washroom, finish and make wudu. Okay? Come back, come out of the washroom in a state of wudu. As soon as the time begins, tell yourself that whatever I'm doing, I'm going to do it later, because even this is something which Allah has given me. Okay, whatever work you're doing, maybe studying, maybe listening to music, maybe having a good time, whatever it is, that blessing is also given by Allah. So when his call comes, how can you not answer that? You just have to spend like 5 to 10 minutes offering a salah, and then you can continue your work. Okay, because as you keep delaying, you just tend to miss it. And then one more thing is that don't let shaitan convince you. If you miss one salah, don't let him say that. Don't let him convince you to the point where you feel that, okay, I you know what, I missed one salah, I'm not even going to pray the other four. No. Okay, fine. If you missed a salah, pray the next. Try to read the Qaza Namaz. Try to sleep early so that you don't miss Fajr, and you also offer the Tahajjud. Stop giving yourself an option to skip it. You don't go out without brushing your teeth, do you? Do you don't go out without ironing your clothes? You don't go out without getting ready. You don't go on the day without eating, do you? So these are the acts which you do without skipping. Make salah a part of this. Make it an habit. You don't have to keep it like a decision anymore, that I might pray or I might not. No, you have to do it no matter what. You have to pray. Fit this, like, get this mindset. Don't wait until you feel the motivation, because motivation can come and go. Try to get the commitment, because commitment stays. You get it? Once you start telling yourself all this, you will start offering namaz or salah on time. No matter what sins you have done or what sins you are engaged in right now, even after knowing or not knowing or intentional, unintentional, whatever, don't leave your salah. Don't let shaitan convince you that I'm already a sinner. There's no point of me offering salah now. No, just offer salah no matter what. Remember that every time you're choosing Allah over your comfort, with every salah, you're choosing Allah, you know that. And Allah never lets that choice go unnoticed. So stop negotiating with yourself and get up, make wudu, and stand before your Lord no matter what. One prayer, then the next, then the next, and one day you look back and realize that this has become a part of your habit, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Take care.